Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Ethereum while paying lower gas fees, follow these step-by-step instructions to reduce transaction costs significantly. Step 1. Monitor gas prices using tools like Etherscan Gas Tracker, ETH Gas Station, or Block Native to identify periods when network congestion and fees are lowest. Step 2. Time your transactions during off-peak hours, typically weekends and late-night hours in major time zones, when fewer people are using the Ethereum network. Step 3. Use exchanges for purchases instead of decentralized platforms when possible, as centralized exchanges handle transactions off-chain, eliminating gas fees for buying. Step 4. Consider Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, or Polygon for lower-cost transactions. Many exchanges now support direct deposits and withdrawals to these networks. Step 5. If using DeFi protocols, set custom gas limits and use slower transaction speeds when not urgent. Most wallets offer options like slow, standard, and fast. Step 6. Batch multiple transactions together when possible rather than making several small purchases. This spreads the fixed gas cost across more transactions. Step 7. Use limit orders on exchanges instead of market orders when timing isn't critical. This approach lets you wait for better prices without rushing transactions during high-fee periods. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.